Hi there. Welcome to Sowrya Consultancy YouTube channel where we make your study abroad journey simple and stress-free. If you are applying for MS in USA, your statement of purpose, that is SOP, is super important. It's like a window into your personality and goals. But many students make small mistakes that can hurt their chances. In this video, I'll share 5 common mistakes to avoid and some easy tips to make your SOP shine. Let's get started. Think of your SOP as a conversation with the admissions team. It's your chance to tell them why you are perfect fit for their program. Your grades and test scores show your abilities, but your SOP shows who you are and why you belong at their university. Get it right and it could open the doors to your dream college. Get it wrong and well, you know what happens. Mistake 1. Let's be honest. Copy pasting someone else's SOP is tempting, but it's a huge mistake. Admission officer reads hundreds of SOPs and they can easily tell if yours is not original. Instead, write your own story, be yourself, and tailor your SOP to each university by mentioning specific courses or professors. This shows them you are serious. Your SOP is not a full autobiography. Don't just list all your achievements from childhood. Focus on the parts of your journey that connect to your future. Talk about how your studies or work experience inspired you to pursue the program, and most importantly, explain how it will help you in the future. And SOP is not a formal essay, it's just your story. Don't be afraid to show some personality. Write in a way that sounds natural and keeps the reader interested. Share your challenges, successes, and what excites you about your field. The more real you are, the better your SOP will stand out. A messy SOP can confuse the reader and leave a bad impression. Keep it simple and clear. Start with an introduction that grabs attention. Use the middle to explain your journey and future goals. End with a conclusion that's strong and memorable. And don't forget to proofread. Even small grammatical mistakes can hurt your chances. So always double check. Don't say, I want to join your university because it's famous. That's too generic. Instead, talk about specific reasons like the professors, research, or courses that interest you. This shows you have done your homework and really want to be a part of their program. Here are 3 quick tips to make your SOP amazing. Start early. Don't leave it to the last minute. Be clear, stick to the point, and avoid long and boring sentences. Be honest, don't exaggerate or lie about your achievements. Just be yourself. Your SOP is your chance to shine, so make it count. Avoid these mistakes and you will create an SOP that impresses the admissions team. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Sowrya Consultancy for more study abroad tips. Have your questions? Drop them in the comments or contact us directly. We are always here to help. Good luck and see you in the next video. Thank you.